Today's a little extra exciting because it's the first day of a brand new series called Chakra Overviews, where I break down a chakra, explain its purpose, and at the end of each video we do a little chakra cleansing. So stay tuned to the end of this video for today's chakra cleansing of the root chakra. If you are excited about today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so that more people can see it in the YouTube algorithm, and hit the subscribe button and the bell notifications so that you get to see each and every one of these videos in this series. So without further ado, let's get into it. Also, my name is Nancy Jane if you're new. Also called the base chakra, it sits at the base of the spine, and its major purpose was really just concerned with survival and instincts. It corresponds with the legs, the base of the body, your adrenal gland, as well as your sense of smell. Dealing with survival in life, this is going to be your basic needs, so food, clothing, shelter. It's about instincts, so it's not emotional or mental or even spiritual. It's really rooted deep within us, hence root chakra, base chakra. It's the root and the base of us and life. From the root chakra comes our need for security. So when danger comes lurking, in kicks our adrenal gland, our adrenaline, and creates our fight or flight responses. It also does relate to our background, our past, our childhood, our family, as that is the base of us. Being the base chakra and corresponding to the earth, it is lovely to ground oneself while meditating by linking your base chakra to the earth by just visualizing your spine sending a root down and into the earth, or by visualizing roots extending from your toes into the earth, your toes, the soles of your feet, into the earth. You could also do this during our chakra cleanse here today, which we are about to get started with. But before we do, I want you to comment down below which chakra are you most excited to learn about during this series, and what did you learn today? So without further ado, let's get into our cleanse. Welcome to our root chakra cleansing. I invite you to find a comfortable place to sit, relax, close your eyes, and just focus on your breath and releasing your tension. So let's just take a deep breath in and release it. And for right now, just focus on your breath. Feel the vibrations and allow them to absorb through your skin. Envision a root extending from the base of your spine and entering the earth as you are grounded. And release all that which does not serve you. to just focus on your breathing and releasing. And that concludes our root chakra cleanse. I hope that you feel more grounded and calmed. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to support us by giving it a thumbs up so that more people can enjoy it as well. If you want to help push out the next video of this series, well, subscribe, share this out to your friends, and help me out with getting the next crystal bowl that corresponds to the next chakra. Again, this crystal singing bowl here corresponded to your root chakra with the C note. So if you want to help me out in getting this next one, feel free to check out my crystal shop with links below. Until next time, I hope that love, light, and good vibrations find their way to you. Bye, guys. Today's a little extra special.